Imagine being responsible for an entire tour group, but one adult tourist expects you to be her personal alarm clock. That's exactly what happened to me on a recent trip to Sicily, and it turned into a full-blown drama. Hi, I'm 21, a Bulgarian tour guide. On a group trip to Sicily, one woman, mid-30s, traveling alone, kept oversleeping. The first day, she was 10 minutes late. I let it slide, but reminded the whole group. Departures are strict, everyone has the schedule, and if you're late, you must call me. The next day, she was 25 minutes late. No call, no answer. I nearly left without her. That evening, she actually asked me to wake her up. She wanted me to knock on her door every morning like her personal alarm. I told her again, politely but firmly, that I couldn't do that. Everyone is responsible for themselves. She insisted, but I stood my ground. I couldn't be her alarm, not for one person when 40 others depended on the schedule. The next morning, we had a big trip to Syracuse. I waited 15 minutes past departure time, called her twice. Nothing. So I left with the group. An hour later, she called me in a panic, furious that I didn't wait. She accused me of abandoning her, said I ruined her trip, and even left a bad review with my agency. I explained that everyone had the same schedule and the same rules. I wasn't going to cheat the other 40 people out of their trip because one grown woman refused to set an alarm. Still, she spread the story that I abandoned her. Now I wonder, was I wrong for leaving her behind after warning her multiple times? What do you think? Should I have kept waiting? Or was I right to finally put my foot down? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real confessions on Confession Cloud.